Let's take a look at items to include in your storm kit: flashlight, batteries, candles, matches, or a lighter. In the event that you do lose power, you want to make sure that you have a working flashlight and backup batteries or candles to light your way. And a first aid kit is a must. You hope you don't have to use it, but you don't want to be without it in case you do. Stock up on non-perishables like canned goods, and make sure you have adequate medical supplies, including any prescriptions you may need. Grabbing a variety of canned foods that won't require heating up and having a manual can opener are essential. You may also want to grab bread and peanut butter and jelly for some easy-to-make meals. And of course, you can't forget the pets. Make sure that you've got enough food and any medications they'll need too. Water, of course, is critical. You should have 1 gallon per person for every day you may be without power. And at home, before a big storm that could result in power outages, it's not a bad idea to fill up some buckets and bathtubs with water for washing and brushing your teeth if you're on well water. In addition to a storm kit, make sure your phone is fully charged before severe weather, and also charge other electronics like power bricks so that you can easily recharge your devices. Make a list of emergency phone numbers or program them into your cell phone. Having Our Number and social accounts on hand is useful too, so you can keep up to date on power outages. You can also download the free Eversource mobile app to report outages or check for updates. And don't forget, if you do lose power and see a downed line, make sure you and your pet stay clear of it and call 911 to report it. Be prepared and stay safe.